Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at my latest purchase from Amazon. This is the Casio, this isn't a G-Shock, this is just a regular Casio WS-B1000 module 3564 watch. Just with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody interested in buying the item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what does it look like, what's it packaged like, etc. Now once I get this thing up and running, maybe I will link some videos to show you some of the features of it. So we have an instruction manual tucked away down in the bottom of the stand. It is a plastic stand. The reason I got this is I wanted to try their step tracking features. This is a Bluetooth enabled watch that will actually track your steps, and it was dirt cheap. I know it's not a G-Shock, but I expected it to be a little bit more than the price it was. $39 is what I got it for on Amazon. It actually looks pretty cool. So why did I get this? I've used other fitness trackers before. I actually had a Timex before that was just like this, and my very first Garmin was a Garmin, golly, what was the name of it? Vivo Fit, I think. And it had a built-in battery. You never had to charge it. You never had to do anything. And that's what I wanted here. I'm going to show you guys. I'm currently using the Garmin Instinct. Even the solar one, as great as it is, it's a pain in the butt when you have to go charge it. So I just wanted something I could bang around in that was always working. Battery life is supposed to be 2 years on this. We will see if that is true or not. So let me get it open. Let's take a look at the band. Plastic buckle, which for this price point I'm not too surprised about. Got a keeper on the strap here. Let me show you, let's see if I can get some better lighting over here. Hopefully you can see this okay. I will give you a look at the case back. Similar to other Casio watches, you've got your mode button down here on the bottom. Let me put it on my wrist. I have 6.5-inch diameter wrist, so pretty small wrist. That's why I like this one. Is it looked rather small. Wow, the strap is kind of long. Oh, it's not too bad actually. Man, I'll say this, it is light. I just took off this Garmin watch, and compared to the Garmin, this thing doesn't even feel like you're wearing anything. Anyway, again, I don't know the features of it, but nonetheless, that is an unboxing. Should you be thinking about ordering it, it's going to be what it looks like when it comes in. I hope the video helped.